Good afternoon, student. Welcome to the VVPS e-learning classes. Children, in the previous video, you all have learned the key features of the Indian Constitution. Today, I am going to teach you the new topic, that is federalisms. It is also the part of the basic structure. So, first of all, what is federalisms? A political system in which power to govern are divided between the central and the state is called the federalisms. There are three levels of government in India: the central level, the state level and the panchayat level. Power and authority have been distributed between the central and the states. मतलब कि ये जो गवर्नमेंट है उसको तीन पार्ट में डिवाइड किया गया है: सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, द स्टेट्स एंड द पंचायत लेवल्स। और तीनों के जो पावर्स हैं उनको वो इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया गया है। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम राइटिंग द डेफिनेशन चिल्ड्रन। यू कैन सी हियर द एट फेडरलिज्म्स a political system in which power to govern are divided between the center and the state is called federalisms. Now there are the three level of government. You can see here the three level of government. Just now I have told you the three part. What were the three, children? This is the first, second and the third one. The first one is the central level. The second one, what it will be? It will be the state level. And the third one will be the panchayat level. Okay children, up to here now it is clear. Now the Constitution has made clear-cut provision for the subject on which the central and the state government can pass law. They are some under different list of subject and are called the union list, the state list and the concurrent list. So now what were the subject that we are including in this list? First of all we come to the यूनियन लिस्ट, क्योंकि उसको तीन पार्ट में डिवाइड किया गया है और तीन के अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स हैं जो उनके अंडर में आते हैं। सबसे पहले हम लोग आते हैं यूनियन लिस्ट पे। द फर्स्ट वन इज़ द यूनियन लिस्ट। एंड व्हाट वेर द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ नेशनल इंटरेस्ट लाइक द डिफेंस, फॉरेन अफेयर्स, वॉर एंड पीस, दिस ऑल आर इंक्लूडेड इन द यूनियन लिस्ट. सो आई एम राइटिंग हियर द, you can see the first one is the subject of national interest. Like the defense, the foreign affairs, war and peace. Okay, these all are under the union list. Now we come to the second one. What is the second one? The second one is the state list. And in the state list, what were the subject like the police, the local government, land, these all are included in the state list. So you can write here like the subject like police, local government, land, etc. are included in the state list. And now we come to the third one. What is the third one, children? The third one is the concurrent list. In the concurrent list, subject of the common interest of both the union government as well as the state government, such as like the forest, education, trade, unions, marriages, etc. These all are included. And both the government can make law on the subject mentioned in this list. So you can write here in the concurrent list, it includes subject like subject of common interest of both the union government as well as the state government. And what were the list included here? Just now I have told you, like such as education, forest, marriage, etc. इसमें दोनों गवर्नमेंट, चाहे वो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट हो या यूनियन गवर्नमेंट हो, दोनों वो यहाँ पे कानून बना सकती है. सो बोथ द गवर्नमेंट कैन मेक लॉ ऑन द सब्जेक्ट मेंशन इन दिस लिस्ट. So up to here it is, children, it is clear what is federalism, then level of the government, that is divided into the three part: central level, state level and the panchayat levels. And in this 3E it is divided into the three lists: the union list, state list and the concurrent list. And in this three list, what were the subject I have mentioned here? You can see this one, and if you have any doubt then you can ask me the question. Thank you, class.